Hi, today I'm going to reveal WhatsApp secrets. So let's begin. Say suppose you want to delete the messages from your chat, but you need a particular message. So don't go on selecting one by one messages each. Instead, select the message that you want to keep. Say suppose this one and click on the star button on top. Again, say suppose I have this message that I need. I'll select it and click on the star button. Thereafter, go to those three dots that you see at the side. Click on it, click on more and clear chat. Leave the selection as it is, the top one selected, and press clear chat. In this way, what will happen is only the message you have not starred will be deleted and your star messages will remain in your chat safe. Cool hack, right? I'm sure you didn't know. My close friend, I call her Butterfly, she had introduced this trick to me. Next interesting trick is how to add a contact without saving. So click on this plus icon that you see here. You'll get a box like this and click on the barcode over there, and then you can scan the code from others' mobile and you'll be redirected to their chat box. Say hi and forward to them the documents or the pictures that you need to send to them. In case you're wondering how to get your contact barcode, so click on the plus sign, go to this barcode over here, click on my code, and that will give your barcode which is for your contact number, and the person will be redirected to your number and they can chat. Now let me show you how to make your chats interesting with different kind of fonts. So in case if you need a bold font, you have to click on the asterisk sign, then type in your message. Here I'm typing just hi. See, and again end with asterisk sign. Did you see how it turned bold? Say suppose you need to change the font to italics. Underscore sign, type in your message, how are you, and end it up with an underscore sign like this. Did you see how it turned into italics? The next one is very interesting, strikeout sign. So for that you'll have to find that wavy icon, this one, and then type your message. Say I have typed stop over here and end it up with the same icon, the wavy one, and there it strikes out that message. Super cool, right? So let me leave you a note with all the commands. You can take a screenshot of it and then flaunt with your next messaging that you do to your friends or dear ones. Now I will show you a very interesting hack. Go to the setting button and scroll down, click on storage and data. Then click on manage storage. Once you click that, it will tell you how much of the percent you use, and bottom will be your contacts. Click on any contact from where you want to delete the pictures only. Wow, cool, right? So from here you can select all the pictures that you need to delete. Instead of going rather into one by one contact and selecting, here you can do that. You can either select one by one or select all and simply click on the delete button. In this way you can access all the pictures of all the contacts at one place. Hope you found all these tricks interesting. Do share it with others, and for more, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.